'cause dreaming can make you mine. Welcome again to your girl Andrea's Trini show. And today on this segment, I'm going to be bringing out the spices of the island. Yes, the spice of Trinidad and Tobago. I have a new recipe for y'all. The recipe name, mother-in-law. Tell me if you know of any good mother-in-law. If they have no good mother-in-law, then mother-in-law them bad no ass. Well, except for me, that is. Today in my kitchen, I'm going to show you how to make this great and tasty condiment by the name of mother-in-law. With flavorful, real flavorful. It spice up your food. It bring out all that nice taste in your food. So, no delay. Let's go straight to the recipe. For my recipe, your girl Andrea is going to be using some carrot. And I have one carrot that is finely chopped. If you want, you can put it in a food processor. But I like that physical contact when I'm doing my veggies and stuff. So this is one carrot finely chopped. So what you're going to do, you add it to this bowl. Then I have some bitter melon. This is a half of a bitter melon. I took out the seeds. You know, I washed it nicely, took out the seeds. And I chop it up really fine, just like carrots. You understand? And I'm going to add this to the bowl also. Shadow beni. Nothing tastes nice without some shadow beni or bandania, right? Or the English word is culantro. So you're going to add about 9 or 10 stalks of this culantro or shadow beni into this bowl also. Everything goes into the bowl. Along with that, I have a small onion that is chopped also. So I'm going to be using one small onion in the bowl. Today we are making mother-in-law, guys. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome to your girl Andrea show where loads of video comes your way. Subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video with your family and friends. Now we have garlic here. You can use, I am using here 2 cloves of chopped garlic to the recipe. I have 3 different colors of pepper. This is hot pepper, red, the green, and the yellow. So it all depends on how spicy you want. You could use half of this pepper if you want, but I'm using 1 whole pepper chopped. I like my things spicy, you know. Right? You have the red hot pepper chopped also. And when you have the different colors, it brings out a nice real color to your mother-in-law. This is what you have, and you mix it up. You mix it up together. Now the next step, you want to squeeze some lime juice. You want to squeeze some lime juice. 2 limes I'm using. See this little lime squeezer? It extracts all the juice real nice. Okay? This is the kind of condiment that will flavor up any curry dish. You could eat it just by itself with roti. You understand? I'm telling you, it is really tasty. And you give it a stir. You stir it up. Combine and infuse everything together. And what I'm going to add to it now is a little salt. Sprinkle a little salt. And you keep on combining. And that is it. Simple. You throw some of this on your dal. You throw some of this on your roti. On your curry dish. And it will bring out all the flavor in that good old cooking. So, see you again with another great video. This is your girl Andrea saying, I hope you stay safe during this COVID time. Bye for now. Bye.